This is not just food production. This is precision at an industrial scale. This is where nature meets precision engineering. Nothing moves forward without passing inspection. Purity begins with absolute cleanliness. Precision replaces human hands.
Consistency is engineered, not guessed. Heat transforms texture and flavor. Protection begins here.
Temperature control defines quality.
Quality is verified, not assumed.
From here, the world is just one shipment away. Accuracy is measured down to the gram.
Every product carries its own digital fingerprint.
Safety is checked before trust is earned. Speed and precision move in perfect harmony.
Logistics begin before products leave the factory.
Time slows inside the cold.
Preservation is precision over time.
Human planning, machine execution.
Data keeps the system alive. The journey continues beyond these walls.
From this room, the entire factory is monitored and controlled.
Every machine is visible at all times.
Automation still relies on human judgment.
Precise control prevents costly mistakes. Reliable power keeps production moving. Water management is part of food safety. Nothing is left unmanaged. Maintenance happens while production continues. Invisible systems keep machines alive. Precision is measured at the end of every day. Consistency depends on alignment. Sharp tools mean clean cuts. Routine lubrication keeps machines running smoothly.
Human oversight remains essential in automated production.
Every restart follows protocol.
Steam must be controlled at every stage.
Clean systems ensure safe food.
Every restart is carefully observed. Good records ensure consistent quality.
The final stage begins here.
Logistics rely on timing and coordination.
Loading starts only when conditions are safe.
Stability matters in transit.
Clean transport is part of food safety.
Every load follows a plan. Temperature control continues beyond the factory.
Every shipment is double-checked. Once sealed, the journey continues. From factory floor to the world beyond. Every shutdown follows a defined sequence.
No material is left behind. Once the trucks leave, the factory prepares for reset.
Sanitation protects tomorrow's production. Clean equipment starts with careful disassembly.
The factory begins to slow.
Cleaning is both chemical and mechanical.
Preparation never stops. Nothing unwanted remains.
Every day ends the same way it begins, with discipline.
Even at rest, the factory is watched.
Awareness never sleeps.
Support systems never shut down.
Preservation does not pause.
Safety systems stand guard.
Access is controlled at all times.
Preparedness is constant.
Silence marks the end of a long day.
People bring the system to life.
Preparation begins with communication. Every day begins with inspection.
Food safety starts before production.
Systems come alive step by step.
A new day begins inside the factory.
Production depends on reliable utilities.
Motion is checked before production begins.
Heat is introduced carefully.
Everything is set to begin again.
Every journey begins with a single step.
Precision turns complexity into consistency.
Quality becomes visible at the end.
Behind every machine, there is human responsibility. Efficiency is quiet when perfected.
This is where the journey continues.
Control brings confidence.
Precision lives in the details.
What happens inside shapes what the world receives. Inside a high-tech bamboo shoot factory you've never seen before.